So you may see here your project is person re-identification. Okay, this is the input folder. Okay, so input folder I given some images as an input as well as some only one video as an input. So all over this you may see here all the images contain only blank. Okay, so once I started to the execution of python run.py, on first itself on the video I shown you the output folder is empty. Okay, once the execution has been started, the output folder is filled with the images whichever is on the input. On input I am having the image with only blank. But for all the images it's giving the person re-identification with the gender, with face expression and what will be the medium and what will be the front end and what will be the age. Okay, and the partial percentage. So for all the images whichever the image I am using and the input folder, for this input folder contain only the image but the output folder contain with the person re-identification details and the video also. For example, you may see here in input the video will be just video. Okay, but in output the video will be contained with some details of person identification. It is executing it now. Once it is over, I just show you the yeah, it is completed. So now I will show you. See here on output